Okay, Ezra, what is going on here?
The cat is going nuts.
Tell me about it.
Watch.
Oh, frick! Merlin, you need to calm down, bro.
Yeah, Merlin, calm down.
You need to calm the frick down right now, or I'll have to tell Dad. Oh, frick!
I did not see that
Probably
coming.
we need to call his dad. Probably we need to call our dad, right?
No. This is fun.
Oh, shoot! Alright, let's see what's going on. Oh, frick!
Merlin's going nuts.
Like Emmerich. Oh, frick!
Watch this. You.
Yo, what the heck? Yo, what the?
Right now it's trying to be aggressive.
Ah! Ah! Oh shit. Ah!
Merlin, you're crazy.
Yeah, Merlin.
Merlin, you need to calm down.
Yeah, bro.
You need to calm down, okay?
Get your hands off of me!
No.
Ah!
Okay. Hey, Merlin, look what I have. Merlin.
Merlin. Oh, frick!
Watch this.
Oh. Oh, crap. Oh, frick!
Let's see if he could. Watch this. Why the frick did you do that?
Hey,
Why are you guys in
Merlin.
He's like, what the heck are you doing?
Merlin. Merlin. Oh.
What is he doing?
I don't know, bro. Oh, shoot. Bro, chill. Chill.
Guy.
We need to back up from him. Ezra, we gotta get out of this place. He's going nuts.
No.
Oh.
Let's show Grandma the video.
I'm recording still, bro.
Okay. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, frick. She's biting it. He's a cute
David,
boy.
be careful. He might bite you.
Okay.
But not me, because I'm his dad.
Oh, frick!
He tried to scare me.
You cannot scare your own father like that, boy. Or either your uncle. Like Ezra, like I said.
Sweet little guy.
Ezra. Like I said, these days you're gonna get real kids like humans, right?
Yeah. This guy is going crazy.
Yeah, probably he's misbehaving like wild road.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, food. Dude.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Subscribe, or else I'll eat your brains out, and then you'll cry like a little baby.
Kitty.
Oh, give me that. Give me that.
Hold on, let the kitty take care of it. Kitty. Hey. Oh, frick.
Wait. Give me that rat.
I will.
Let's put his bum hole in there. And then. Yeah, see?
Ezra, say hi. Ah, frick. Chill, bro.
That wasn't me, that was the cat.
No, Ezra, I can see you through the mirror.
You can see me from the butt cheek.
Hey, enough with that language. You should not be saying that on the video. Oh, frick.
This sweet little guy.
kitty.
Dude, why is this so funny?
Come here, kitty.
Wait, David, put your whole hand on the rat. Now let's see what happens. He's like, give me that. Give me that.
Give me that. Here, Ezra. Here. Oh, frick.
He's wrestling. Hey, wrestle the move.
Oh, shoot.
I'm
shoot.
I'm dying. I'm dying. No.
Bruh.
We love you.
Hey, kitty.
The cat doesn't like that much.
Oh, shoot.
Give me that.
Guys, if you don't know what's going on, let me know in the comments. Oh, frick. Oh, shoot. Give it. Ah!